Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Pinterest to N8N. First, go to the N8N website and make sure you log in into your account. Now click on Create Workflow in the top right corner. Then click on Add First Step to begin building your automation. In search bar, tap Pinterest. You'll notice that it doesn't appear as a built-in integration. So, instead type HTTP, select the HTTP request option. Now choose the method you want to use like get, post, put, patch, delete, or head, depending on what you're trying to do. Then enter the Pinterest API URL in the URL field. Next, choose your authentication type. You can pick either predefined credential type or generic credential type. Select the correct credential based on how you've set it up. Now, choose Network API as the action. You can also turn on or off the option for send query parameters, send headers, and send body depending on your needs. Once everything is set up, click on Execute step to test the connection and see it works. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.